The game show called Intuition or Fast Shot involved Quizmaster, and from 2 to 10 participants, for example, 4. Game show lies in the fact that the Quizmaster asks the same time to all participants several difficult questions. Participants for each question are written to response, true and false. Players choose one of the answers in a very short time. If a participant does not manage to select answers, the computer does it randomly for him. For the correct answer, players receive a point. In the final phase, players bid the number of points gained by them. The winner is the player who will offer the largest real number. But he must not exceed the number of points scored. Let's start.
Clappy-Ron was A, mathematician, or B, biologist? Permanent Court of International Justice was established in A, 1920, or B, 1925? European Coal and Steel Community was established in 1949 or 1952? What percentage of women have a lover? A, 25%, or B, 35%? According to the respondents, what is more important in life? A, children, B, workplace? Square root of 2 is approximately A, 1,41, or B, 1,43?
Shortcut.
And the last question, what is the capital of Spanish song? A, Madrid, or B, Barcelona? Now the participants have 5 minutes for thinking. How many good answers have they given?
Shortcut.
Thank you. Now you have to declare how many points you achieve in the game. I remind wins the person who will declare the highest real number of points. If more participants will declare the same highest number of points, then wins the person whose number of obtained points is closer to number of points declared. If more people will declare the same highest number of points and their number of obtained points will be the same, then the prize is split. Mr. 1, start please. I'll play for 4 points. Me 2, and me. And Mr. 3? I'll play 5 points. I'll play for 5 points. And I'll give 6 points. Me 2. Okay, Mr. 1 and Mr. 2 gave for 6 points. Mr. 3 and 4 said 5 points. Okay, thank you. I close the auction. Let's check your achievements. Let's see the results of the 10th question. The capital of Spanish song is, of course, Barcelona. Points gain Mr. 1 and Mr. 4.
Shortcut.
Square root of 2 is approximately, about, 1,41. Points gain Mr. 1, 2 and Mr. 3.
Shortcut.
Let's look at what the situation prior to the unveiling last question. A chance of winning have numbers 1, 2 and 3. I remind that wins a participant to score as points, which he declared. If more people achieved the same number of points, they play a play-off among them. The first question sounded, Clappy-Ron was, A, mathematician, or B, biologist. Mr. 1 and Mr. 2 said A, Mr. 3 and 4 said B. If Clappy-Ron was a mathematician, then the game show wins number 1. If he was a biologist, then the game wins Mr. 2, although Mr. 3 will also have declared number of points. Mr. 2, as you think, who was a Clappy-Ron? I think that biologist. Well, you wouldn't change your answer? I think so. Okay, let's check it. Clappy-Ron was A, mathematician. The winner is Mr. 1.